man, you that boy. Big up Grace and VP record. You know, see how we sexy. Never look up cute face. Some girl watch his style and not the time they know it. If I can avoid man, we take a girl and the man. I mean, we take any time. We walk out but me here. Some girl cause her man baby. This is your man where you want somebody to be time. It could not tell you how to be. How we sexy and me and my little cute face. Some girl watch we style and a chat but a time never wait. If a girl a born man me no, we take a girl man we no. And we will take it anytime anywhere with me. That's shit I want to. I can't preach a little sermon. New York, I can't preach a little sermon.
Preach.
You have some girl where them man say sit, bobo sit, them have to sit down in a shirt. Amen? You have some girl where make the man them black and blue, them yeah, when them ready, them cover it and say lie. Amen?
That's a one.
You have some girl where I make them man force them to do threesome cause them have a sex with the money to make them body get done. Amen? And let the girl them have the water money. Come on, yeah. But me can't do it about the way. Here me have it when I'm on the way. Got that. And now we step in every girl. I feel like can't chat. Put my face only behind back. So can I walk to them one just in my man and son? Tell him we not the paper nobody because we can't tell me how we spend it cause I'm money. Not the paper nobody because we can't tell me how we spend it cause I'm live it. Now we check when we spending, girl. Have me go out, have me movement, girl. Again, easy. Real number one. Yeah, me not dependent, girl. Have me go out, have me movement, girl. Me a one chill. When I need track for me, hill up on my wrist. I slack a freeze, I'm a just a proper pretty, I'm a have me education. The point of less come on attitude. Couple million, yes, see them in no recall. Different currency and shopping like me and the shopping car. Them say me hype, me a feel off. Them lucky say me no show off. Again, we know the paper, nobody big up. Can't tell me how we spend it cause know the paper, nobody big up. Rip the weird up, no man black boy. Leave it. Real number one. Now we check quickly. A big one house now, people. That's good. Over your paseo, yeah. Oh, hey, oh. Everybody say oh, yeah. Oh, hey, oh. So not cheat. So not cheat. Put up on hand if you ever take a girl, man.
Put him up.
Put up on hand if you ever take a girl, man. Sometimes you get a man, I would feel like we take him over completely. And when you take a stack, him go back to the same dryer, girl. I really think you talk. But me I represent for the ladies when I make no man treat them like no butter ears, girl. Cause we look good and we clean and we can't get another one like that. Yet still we have to look on the boy and ask him. If you want to look at this, what you doing? Shout it out! You got
So I'm backstage still, enjoying the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival for New York. And look who I ran into, this beautiful lady here. I'm just gonna tell her, let she tell you who she is because, you know, we hung last night with the Don Reed event, and here she is again at Jamaican Jerk Fest. She's a big lady in the media, and I'm so happy to see her. What's going on, girl?
Girl, I've been working it all day long. People, if you don't know, the ladies are here.
All right,
Yes.
the divas are here.
I'm telling you.
So Stacey, what's going on?
Boy, so I'm here under the for Carib Zone TV.
Yes.
And also with Farm Up Jamaica Media. So I'm wearing 2 hats today.
All right, well, the lady with many hats. It's a pleasure to see you, girl. I may
Same
tell
here.
you, the show was awesome so far.
It's live, the crowd
The
live.
crowd?
The food.
Ah.
Well, I wouldn't know about the food because I didn't eat much yet.
Right.
Yes, keyword. The audience is awesome.
Yes.
The reggae and the soca mix just really working.
Yes.
So I love it. I love the vibes. I love everything.
Yeah,
Very
man.
nicely done.
As always, trust me, when it comes to New York, the thing them always sell off, you know, man.
Always up. If you can, it's true. It's cliche.
Yes.
But if you can make it in New York, you can make it anywhere. It's true.
She said, make it anywhere. That's the key word.
People, all of this fabulosity here, fabulousness, and over here we have Miss Special K wearing white and gold, looking glamorous.
You see how she turned the interview around for me? That's the type of thing I'm telling you about this lady, man. She is something else. You turn it around on me now.
Then also sisters have to do that for one another.
All right, so the divas are here and we're out. We're going to continue to walk around and enjoy the evening. Kay representing for Reggae Vibes Radio, Jamaican Jerk Festival. I tell you, man, awesome.
Back here for Carib Zone TV and Farm Up Jamaica. We're there every time.
All right.
Yeah.
Coming back to you with some more.